It took hundreds of accidents, but finally TDOT is lowering the speed limit on a notoriously dangerous stretch of road. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilkes. Starting today, speed limits will reduce 5 to 10 miles per hour on State Route 109. News 2's Kendall Ashman spoke with TDOT on how this is expected to reduce the severity of crashes.
It's been called a death trap. The Autobahn. State Route 109 is a notoriously dangerous stretch of road.
Since COVID, we've seen traffic fatality numbers increase. We've seen bad driving behaviors. We've seen everything from speeding to people not wearing seatbelts.
Since October 2019 to October of 2024, THP reported over 1,600 crashes on State Route 109 between I-40 and Wilson County to the Sumner County line. One of the biggest concerns, speed. Back in September, a couple died on State Route 109 after a speeding driver crashed into them head-on.
People were using the system more like an interstate rather than a suburban type road that would be to connect communities.
For years, those living and working on State Route 109 have asked for more safety measures. Last year, the community met with state and local leaders, including TDOT, about their concerns.
We looked at speed studies. We had our traffic engineers do that. And then we looked at crash rates.
TDOT Region 3 Director Jay Norris says after reviewing data, it was decided to lower the speed limit to 50 and 45 miles per hour. This map shows where those changes have been made.
One of the things that we saw out there is the speed limit would go up and down, and it wasn't consistent through the route. So we worked with the city and THP to have a consistent feel that made sense for safety and traffic operations.
But he says half the battle will now be enforcing the new speed limit.
It takes a lot of partners to make a transportation system go, and Tennessee Highway Patrol and the city of Lebanon have been involved in these decisions.
And now TDOT has replaced 25 signs along State Route 109. Norris says this change could reduce the number of severe crashes along the road.
So by lowering the speed limits, there's less kinetic energy on the road, which means the severity of crashes drops. And so we partner with THP in this, and they're going to help us make sure this route is safe for everybody.
In Wilson County, Kendall Ashman, News 2.